Today, I am reviewing the Apple MacBook M5 Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the very heart of this machine is the brand new M5 Pro chip, configured with a massive 15-core central processing unit and a 16-core graphics processing unit. Built on a cutting-edge Fusion architecture, this chip introduces a monumental shift by integrating a dedicated neural accelerator directly into every single core. Unlike previous generations where machine learning tasks were handled exclusively by a separate neural engine, this new architecture means the entire system is fundamentally built for advanced artificial intelligence workloads. Whether you are running complex localized large language model inferences, training neural networks on the go, or compiling millions of lines of code, the M5 Pro blazes through demanding tasks at mind-bending speeds. This performance is heavily backed by 24 GB of ultra-fast unified memory and a massive 1 TB solid-state drive that delivers up to 2 times faster read and write speeds than older models. This storage speed drastically reduces loading times when working with massive 4K and 8K video timelines, sprawling datasets, or heavy virtual instruments. What makes this performance even more remarkable is how it interacts with the physical world through the brilliant 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. This screen is quite simply a visual masterpiece. It pushes an incredible 1600 nits of peak brightness for high dynamic range content, 1000 nits of sustained full screen brightness, and an astonishing 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Whether you are grading cinema-grade video under direct sunlight or editing high-resolution photographs in a dark studio, the colors remain flawless, and the blacks stay perfectly dark without any distracting backlight bleeding. This dynamic display handles fast movement with ease, making every scroll, animation, and playback frame look exceptionally fluid. Apple has also taken massive strides in connectivity and multimedia with this hardware update. This machine features 3 independent Thunderbolt 5 ports, each powered by its own custom controller built directly into the silicon chip, offering unprecedented data transfer speeds up to 120 gigabits per second. It easily supports up to 3 external high-resolution displays simultaneously, transforming your portable setup into a massive multi-monitor workstation. For wireless networking, the inclusion of the custom Apple-designed N1 chip brings true Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 compatibility to the platform, ensuring lightning-fast wireless transfers and rock-solid network stability, even in crowded environments. When you combine this with the crisp 12-megapixel center stage camera that automatically keeps you perfectly framed during virtual meetings, the 3 studio-quality microphones, and the immersive 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos support, you have a self-contained production studio that fits right into a backpack. Despite this absurd amount of computing power, Apple has refused to compromise on portability or efficiency. The laptop delivers the exact same blistering fast performance whether it is plugged into a wall outlet or running entirely on the internal battery. With all-day battery life that easily pushes through intensive work sessions, you can leave your charger behind with complete confidence. Wrapped in a stunning, durable space black aluminum chassis that resists fingerprints, this MacBook Pro integrates flawlessly with your entire Apple ecosystem, allowing you to seamlessly mirror your iPhone screen, copy and paste text across devices instantly, and answer calls directly from your workspace. If you are ready to invest in a future-proof machine that blends elite performance, unparalleled efficiency, and a breathtaking display, securing this M5 Pro MacBook Pro during the Prime Day sales is a brilliant decision that will elevate your professional workflow for years to come.